Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to dress up our flower pot. So let's get started. So here I have my old jeans. So I'm going to use this jeans for covering up the flower pot. This is my flower pot. So now we need to check the size we need for covering up the flower pot, and here I am cutting the jeans with the help of scissors. So now let's check. Put the flower pot inside this jeans and check if it is fitting properly. As you can see, it is fitting this flower pot perfectly, right? So we can fold it a little bit from the top. You can either cut this extra part or you can fold it inside. So what I will do, I will fold it. You can even stitch it if you want, or you can apply some fabric glue and stick it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look, right? Now I'm going to take some fabric paint. We'll start with the white color. I'm going to make a sunflower. So you can use the back side of your brush and put some dots with the white paint. Now I'm going to take a little bit of brown color. Again, I'll put some dot on top of the white paint. You can keep adding the dots till you get the desired effect. Now I'm going to start making the petals. For that we need some yellow paint. I'm going to do this freehand. If you're not comfortable doing freehand, you can make a rough outline of the petals first and then you can start painting. Now here I am adding some white paint to add some highlights. I'm blending the color in. Isn't it looking nice and bright? Now I'll take little bit of brown color and again I'll blend it in to get the desired effect. Now I'll take some black paint and do the outline with the black paint. So what do you think? Is it looking like a sunflower? So we'll let it dry for some time. Now this is ready. So we can put our flower pot inside it and see how it looks. I am just loving this. Isn't it looking nice? And this is completely washable. You can wash it without worrying about the color getting off because we have used fabric paint. So you can go ahead and wash it whenever it gets dirty. I hope you had as much fun as I had making this. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please do like and share with your friends.